Alright everyone, I've gotten a Siren, but let's go ahead and open this up. I got a Federal Sign Signal B-9, an older an older B-9 I think. I don't know, it's a newer one than the one that Siren Explorations has. I just know that for sure, but man, this guy loaded it up with tape. Struggling. It was $80 on eBay. Got some paint chipping off. I believe it does have lead paint. I'm not entirely sure. But it is slightly damaged. But that's kind of expected. I believe it was a 24 volt. Actually, we can take a look at the data tag there. 115 volts AC and DC. Model is B9, serial number is 7L11, Federal Sign and Signal. I'm not sure what year it is, so if you guys can tell me, that would be great. It's a little dented up here. It's pretty good condition though, other than the dent here on the front here. But it was $80 and I think $15 for shipping, and that was everything. I'll have to figure out how I'm gonna screw that in. Got a little wore out here too. Should be able to fix that. Side's also bent in because someone probably screwed it in too tight or got smashed. It is by this spot here. But I will be trying to redo this at some point. Not bad condition though. Well, see you guys next time. Federal Sign Signal B9.